Hey YouTube, I'm going to be showing you a quick fix today for the Archthrones mod on Dark Souls 3. Again, this is for after you have tried installing the Downpatch to 1.15 and you verified integrity game files, and also you have verified that you have both DLCs. If you haven't done any of those steps first, I recommend watching another tutorial. This is for people that are still having the issue after doing all those steps. Okay. So I'm going to go into properties on the game. I'm going to browse the local files. I'm just going to go ahead and show the properties of my exe file to just show you that I have the 1.15 installed. And if I try to launch the Dark Souls 3 with the Archthrones mods installed, it'll look like it's running in the beginning. And then shortly after, it's going to crash. Yep, alright, so it doesn't work. So, actually the fix around this is pretty simple. Again, you're going to go to Browse Local Files, Game, and then you're going to see under, there's a file called Archthrones underscore subsystems.toml. Should be one of the first little files in there. Go ahead and open that with Notepad, and then where it says enrich content, and it says enabled equals true, go ahead and change that to false. Save that. Go ahead and exit out now. And then go ahead and try launching Dark Souls 3 again. And this works for me. I hope this works for a few other people out there. You'll know it works when you see the Bandai Namco screen come up. And then we get the title music. Okay. Like I said, I hope this helped some of you guys out. If it did, please leave me a comment, let me know. I like helping people. If it didn't, tell me that your game's still crashing. Let me know your computer specs. I'll try to reach out to you and help you out a little bit more, okay? See ya.